Right, this is really super easy. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So this is easy and beautiful. So here I've got 250 grams of white mushrooms. I've just cut them in half. I mean, if you've got really big ones, cut them small. In fact, if you want, you can cut them how you like. Cut them really small, slice it, up to you. Half a cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of onion. I'm using a white onion today and I'll cut it really small. 1 cup of tomatoes, try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a little bit of green pepper there, bell pepper, just going to throw that in at the end. And then here we've got 1 teaspoon each of chili, cumin, coriander, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. So I've got in there 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a just grab a spoon. I'm using a mustard oil, but you could use something else. You could use a sunflower, corn, or something like that, or even a coconut oil would be really nice. We're just heating that up and we're going to drop in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds just for a few seconds. Let them do their thing in the oil. This is really, really simple, this one, but delicious. Then we're going to go in with a cup of onions cut nice and small. I'm on an above medium heat. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add some salt at this stage. I'm going to go just for about 3 minutes. So if you wanted at the beginning, you could have had some fresh curry leaves, a little bit of cinnamon, some green cardamoms, up to you. Just going with the cumin seeds today, keeping it really nice and simple. 1 cup of tomato, in that goes. And then we're going to add our powders. Let's just take another look. So half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then 1 teaspoon of cumin, coriander, and chili powder. Now I'm also not adding any fresh chilies to this today. If you want, you can. I'm going to keep this kind of fairly mild. We've got the chili powder in there. We're going to cook this now for about 4 to 5 minutes. I want those tomatoes to break down. And if, like me, I've got a nice ripe, juicy tomato, you're going to get a little bit of moisture from it. So as you can see, tomatoes are breaking down nicely. We're now going to add in our mushrooms, 250 grams. That's one of those kind of blue plastic punnet things you get it in, you know. We're going to go for about another 4 minutes, and as they cook, we may even get a little bit more moisture from mushrooms. Depends on the type of mushroom, but yeah, they release some liquid as they cook down. So yeah, keep it moving fairly often now. Beautiful. Now I'm happy with my mushrooms just there. Half a cup of coconut milk, just to kind of give it a little bit of moisture and creaminess. We're going to add in those bell peppers, completely optional, but I like them in there. And one more thing I didn't show you, I'm going to add a pinch, maybe half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. That is garam masala powder. It's a mixture of different spices, nice finishing spice. I'm going to go for about another 90 seconds, 2 minutes. This is done. It's really beautiful. I love it. I love it. Really good. And there we go, steaming hot, ready for the table. Beautiful with rice if you want. I actually prefer to eat it with some paratha or roti, some sort of bread like that. I hope you enjoy that. Nice, quick, easy, vegetarian, vegan, healthy, beautiful mushroom curry there. Please do give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, hit the bell thing or whatever it is. I'll speak to you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.